Hi everyone, welcome back to Financial Insights TV. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into the fascinating and fast-paced world of the cryptocurrency market. Let's get started. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first decentralized cryptocurrency, and since then, many others have emerged, including Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and more. How does the crypto market work? The crypto market functions much like any other financial market, but with some unique features. Cryptocurrencies are traded on various exchanges, such as Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. The prices of cryptocurrencies are determined by supply and demand dynamics, investor sentiment, regulatory news, and technological advancements. Key factors influencing the crypto market. Sentiment. Positive or negative news can significantly impact cryptocurrency prices. For example, announcements about government regulations, security breaches, or endorsements by influential figures can cause prices to fluctuate wildly. Adoption and usage. The more people and businesses start using cryptocurrencies for transactions, the more value they gain. Adoption by major companies or financial institutions can lead to increased credibility and demand. Technological developments. Advances in blockchain technology, improvements in security, and the development of new cryptocurrencies can also influence market trends. Innovations like smart contracts and decentralized finance, DeFi, are reshaping the landscape. Risks and rewards of investing in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly rewarding but also comes with significant risks. Here are some pros and cons to consider. Pros: high potential returns, diversification of investment portfolio, accessibility and liquidity. Cons: high volatility, regulatory uncertainty, risk of fraud and cyber attacks. Tips for navigating the crypto market. Do your research. Before investing, thoroughly research the cryptocurrency, its underlying technology, team, and market potential. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. Stay updated. The crypto market moves quickly. Keep up with the latest news and trends to make informed decisions. Use secure wallets. Protect your investments by using reputable and secure wallets to store your cryptocurrencies. Future of the crypto market. The future of the crypto market is both exciting and uncertain. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovations and integrations into everyday life. Governments and financial institutions are also exploring the potential of digital currencies, which could lead to wider acceptance and regulation. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Check out our other videos for more insights into the world of finance and technology. See you next time.